Welcome to VA Worldwide's Tips and Tricks. This session will be addressing a question that arose out of our last webinar, What's New with AIC, and specifically the Anacapa Matrix. The question was whether, with an Analyst notebook chart made from iBase, could it be represented as an Anacapa Matrix? The simple answer is yes, but this question relates to all types of charts. The representation as an Anacapa matrix can be displayed for any chart, whether it is manually created, imported, or displayed from a database like iBase. The secret is in the attributes. If the entity has an Anacapa Matrix Entity attribute, it will show up in the VA-AIC Anacapa Matrix tool. This is what is added when you create an entity using the VA-AIC tool. It adds an Anacapa Matrix Entity attribute to the entity. So with charts, you just need to add this attribute manually and it will show up in the Anacapa Matrix tool. Quite simple. Okay, let's open up a chart from iBase. So we're going to find a person, find. The person I'm going to try and find here is Chumlong. So I'm going to type in Chumlong. And this is from my wildlife database. So I'm going to click find and we see Chumlong Lemtong Tai. Now, if I right mouse click on that, I can select chart and add that entity from iBase to Analyst Notebook. So add to chart. And that will open up our Analyst Notebook. I click on OK to accept that the information's coming from iBase. I notice that my Chumlong is now on my Analyst Notebook chart. I just rearrange. I'm going to right mouse click on him and I'm going to expand from the database. So I expand from the database and it immediately creates a number of links and entities from the database. I'm going to expand one more time. So right mouse click on one of the entities, select the database, click expand, and we notice that it's quite a sizable chart. Now we need to tidy it up. Click arrange, click on compact peacock, and that'll just rearrange the chart easier to see. Now it's important to have a look at the attributes for Chumlong. Right mouse click on there, select edit item properties, and you'll notice that there is no Anacapa Matrix attribute. Click OK, and now we're going to check the Anacapa Matrix. So to get there, we need to click on Home, the Home tab. We click on Tools, Applied Intelligence Capability, and Anacapa Matrix. That'll open up the interface. Important to see here is that there are no entities in the matrix. The matrix is blank. So we're going to close that down. Now, to add it, we're going to select all and add the attribute, the Anacapa Matrix attribute. Click on that from the palette. The interface will come up, yes. Click OK. And that adds the Anacapa Matrix to each and every entity. Right mouse click on Chumlong again, check the attributes. We see that it is present now. Now, we're going to have a look at the matrix now. We could go via tools, but we're going to go a different way. In white space, right mouse click, select Applied Intelligence Capability and Anacapa Matrix. And you'll notice that the matrix is full. Every entity that is on my chart is on the matrix now, as well as all the links. And as you can see, it's quite a sizable matrix. I'm just scrolling through it. Notice you can also maximize the view for the matrix to look at that. I'm going to close that down now. But as you can see, it's just as simple as that. Just add an attribute, and that is the basic secret. Thanks for watching this tips and tricks video. For more tips and tricks, as well as other feature videos, have a look at our VA YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or are just looking for more information, then contact us at VA Worldwide. We are here to help. Our contacts are listed in the information section below. Thank you for watching.